rules!
$1,500, $2,000. $1 million once. $14,000 it is. $1 million twice. $44,500. Gone. 47 and a half. Fair warning, it is selling at $1 million. So, $1 million.
This is Francis Lombardi, Department Head here at the James Julia Auction Company Firearms Division, and I'd like to tell you a little bit more about a spectacular and truly unique American rifle we have coming up in our October 2016 auction. This particular gun was made by the innovative George Hoening of Boise, Idaho. This is a fantastic and innovative and patented rotary action over-under gun. But what makes this particularly unique is this is a double rifle. Usually we see these in shotgun gauges. This particular one is in the 9.3 by 74. A fantastic cartridge, can hunt around the world with this. And true to Hoening's styling, this is a very sleek, well-handling, easy pointing, and beautiful rifle. This particular one with its rotary action has canthus scroll and scroll work throughout the circumference of the action. This is a double trigger gun. It also comes with a quick detachable lever scope mount, so you can shoot it with or without the loopholed scope. Has one standing leaf sight on it and a flip over hood on the front sight to protect it. A really spectacular gun, capped grip cap with a spare front sight in the grip cap, and a fantastic piece of well-figured walnut on this gun. It makes it a real pleasure to behold. The waiting list for these type guns is numbers of years and a very limited production.